Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little Slaw YouTube channel. So today, in one of our video, like in the previous video where we have discussed about how to achieve the expected TPH, the transactions per hour. So in that video, I have got a question where one of our subscriber has asked a question that can you write a regular expression for below questions, and he wanted to extract, if I'm not wrong, you want to extract this particular value, the XYZ minus 1, 2, 3, 4 minus ABC, and then he wanted to remove the hyphens. So in this video, we'll see how to do that and uh, how to effectively do that. And again, I'm using new load as, sorry, the JMeter tool as my example because he did not mention what tool is he going to use. So I believe most of us are using JMeter for this example. So I'm going to show this using JMeter, and if possible, I'll even try to show this using new load as well if it's possible, if we have enough time for that. But yeah, again, thank you so much for asking this question, and I really appreciate you for asking this question. And in fact, we have got so many other questions like how do you execute performance test of Postman collections through Azure Release Pipeline? Yeah, we'll see them very soon. And in fact, yeah, like I told you, we have got lots of other questions as well. Um, so again, I welcome you all to our Little Star YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed it, and please do join my channel for getting quality content like this daily. And uh, give a like, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and give me your questions and feedbacks in the comment section like this. It will help me to create more content, and will help you in turn. So now the first step for this. So firstly, let's see how to extract this value. So let me take this line here. So we'll approach this one by step by step. So then first let me take you through the regex. So this here is the test string. So what I'm going to do is the first step of it is I'm going to extract the value. So what I believe the value that he wanted to extract is this one. So in case next time when you are giving me the question, please give more details so that everybody can understand it. So I just went through this several times, and like he mentioned, so I need to extract, and then I have to reformat the code to remove hyphens. So from this to this. So this is what is his expectation is. So what regular expressions would you use and how would you configure the extractor? So this cannot be done in one single step. So I'll show you how to do that for you. So let me first extract this. I mean, again, this is what you do in your tool. It can be JMeter or it can be your Neoload or Loader or whatever tool. So I'm going to extract it like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the code colon as my left boundary, and colon data, everything here that I'm showing you, I'm highlighting you, all these will be my right boundary. So dot star question mark. So now if you see, I have extracted this value, right? So this is the first step. So I've extracted the value, but still, like he questioned me, I still have the minus symbol or the hyphen symbol. So let's see how to fix this. So for that, I'm going to go to my bin and then jmeter.bat. Yep, here I have my jmeter. So let me open the JMeter, and then I'll show you how to do this part here for you. Yep, so here I have my JMeter. And here I'm going to open a template, and the template is, it's just going to be a recording template. So I'm opening a recording template. So this is just an example for you to show how to try this, because if you are someone who has actually extracted this value in your correlation, so just you have to try this correlation. So that's the only thing. And then I have my thread group, and like I told you, so this will come under HTTP request. So let me add a sampler that's HTTP request. So I have my HTTP request here, and then I'm going to use a JSR223 preprocessor for, so just assume that I have extracted the value using the uh, regular expression, the regex part, and then I'm having the value with me. So for that, I'm going to use a JSR223 preprocessor, and let's write the code for that now. So this is how the code will be. So it's going to be string and the extracted value, which is which is have extracted using the regular expression, right? So that's the assumption, and it's going to be vas.get of colon extracted value, and let me close it, and then again string space modified value equals extracted value dot replace. Also, this is the function I'm going to use to extract the value. So minus is the value that we're going to. So this is something like a find and replace. So I'm going to find the minus from the extracted value, and then I'm going to replace with it with this simple. I mean, I'm just going to empty that value, right? And yep, sorry, I added a semicolon, and then coming to the end, and then finally I'm going to add this value again back to the variable, right? So as not it's final, it's going to be the final value, so it's going to be modified value comma again modified value, right? So this is the original script, but now what has happened is we do not have the value because it's in the regex screen, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to directly give the value. So let me show you how to do that. So instead of string extracted value, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same similar one. So string value, or I would even have it as string extracted value. So yeah, so you have to try this one. So you have to have the value here, and then you have to get the value from your system, that the extracted value, right? So you're going to get the value that you're going to extract using your regular expression. Just understand, don't confuse yourself. So what you're doing here is you're going to get the value from your correlation, okay? And then after that you're going to save that value into this part, extracted value here, okay? Now you understood why I'm doing this line, and now I'm replacing this line is since I do not have that value inside the system. I'm telling you what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do and add the value, the extract value, exact value what I wanted to remove the values, right? So now if you see here, so you will be getting the values here, and instead I'm giving the values like this here. Okay, I hope you understand. If you don't understand, please do watch this video again. And the next thing is I'm adding a HTTP request. Okay, another HTTP request where you're going to pass the value. Okay, so going to sampler HTTP request. So here, in case if you are passing this in a parameter or in a body data, whatever you want to do, I'm going to just pass this value. That's it. It's a very simple process. So pass this value, close this bracket. Let me save it. C drive, person, Apache JMeter, bin, and then what's next? Extract and print, right? So the file name is going to be extract print demo. Okay. Yep. So now we have got the file. So let me run it and let's see what happens. I'm running the file. Let's go to the view results tree. And in the second HTTP request, if I go to the request, see, I have removed the minus, the hyphen in between the values, and I'm printing the value which is required or which was expected. So I believe I have did this in the right way. So we did two steps. So let me do a quick recap. So let me do a quick recap. The first part here is I have extracted the value using the lazy method. So it's the most useful in the working technique here. So I did added a code dot star question mark, and then what I did is I have extracted the value. I mean, just imagine this is not your application. This is not a regex page. Instead, it's an application where you're extracting the value, and then what you did is you have extracted the value. Like I said, you're getting the value from your extracted value and saving it in an extracted value string, and then you are replacing with this extracted value function. So you are replacing this value, whatever the minus comes in, you are replacing it with the empty space. So then finally you're getting the modified value. So this two steps, so this will not happen. I mean, like, up to my experience, I would say that you must need to use this groovy script to definitely try this part, right? So I believe you would definitely understand what I did, and if you do not understand, please do watch this video again. And let me do one more thing. So let me upload the script for you. And coming to the JMeter JMeter test. So this is where I'm going to upload my script. I'm going to add the file. And sorry, going back to the code, upload the file, and sorry, let me choose the file. So it's inside the Apache JMeter bin, extract and print. So this is the one that I wanted to upload it for you. So adding extract print demo.jmx file. So I'm committing the changes. So in case if you want to try this code, you can anytime you're welcome. You can get the file. So here I believe, yeah, the file is here. Where is it? Sorry, the file name is extract, right? Extract print demo. So you can extract take this file anytime from the system. So it's under Vasan Shanmugam JMeter underscore test. You can take it from here and you can use it. So yeah, with that I come to an end and definitely believe this video would be very useful to you. So until I meet you in the next video, it's bye bye from Vasan Shanmugam and your favorite Little Sly YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.